Pricing in KCD software is easy. First, you're going to want to navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen and select Price. From here, you can see the different price list methods available to you on the left. KCD Closet Component is exclusively for the closet industry. KCD Pricing is mainly for cabinetry, but can also be used for some closet parts. And then KCD Door and Drawer Size is exclusively for when you want to price out your doors and drawers, nothing else. In order to get started with the pricing method, first I'm going to want to select the pricing method most relevant to me and click the blue Make Copy button at the bottom here. It's going to ask me to name my new price list, so I'm going to name it plywood because that's the material I'm working with most often. You should do something similar. Once I hit OK here, you can see that it makes a copy for me and it'll tell me to hit close. Now, in order to edit this new price list that I've made, I'm just going to left click it once to select it and then click the edit button at the bottom here. This will bring up steps 1 through 8 on how to get started with KCD pricing.